Did you know? If you could see through the constructions around, each commercial building, house, bridge, or industrial structure has a steel skeleton known as a TMT bar. TMT, thermomechanically tested bars, are the most robust steel rods ensuring strength, ductility, and longevity. TMT bars are incredibly resistant to fire, earthquake, fatigue, and corrosion. How does the strength of the TMT bar tested? At TCRADVANCED, first, the rod specimen is measured and weighed. Second, the bar is placed carefully in the tensile machine. Third, an extensometer is placed for stress-strain measurement. Fourth, the test is conducted. After the test is concluded, stress versus strain graph is obtained depicting the strength of the TMT bar. For more content regarding mechanical testing, stay connected and follow our social media channels for more updates.